In this fast-paced digital age, how does a business stay afloat amidst the sea of operational challenges? How can a company navigate the waters of project management, file storage, contact management, and time tracking, all while keeping communication lines open? Welcome to Alpha Fam Management Consulting, where we specialize in helping businesses optimize their operations in the digital age. But how exactly do we do this? Let us break it down for you. Step 1. Auditing current systems and processes. It all begins with a thorough examination of your existing systems and processes. Our seasoned team dives deep, looking into your project management, file management, contact management, time tracking, communication, and other essential systems. This comprehensive audit uncovers areas that need improvement, providing invaluable insights to guide our next steps. Next, we move to step 2. Identifying the right tools. With the audit results in hand, we collaborate with you to pinpoint the most effective tools for your business. We understand that one size does not fit all. Customization is key. Our consultants take into account your unique business needs and goals, recommending tools that align with your requirements. Step 3 takes us into the realm of project management tools. Here, we assist in selecting platforms that enable task creation, responsibility assignment, deadline setting, progress tracking, and team communication. Our experience spans across a variety of software, including Trello, Asana, Basecamp, Monday.com, and ClickUp. In Step 4, we tackle file management and information storage solutions. We guide you in choosing cloud-based platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox, which allow for easy storage, access, and sharing of various files. This ensures everyone in your team always has the most current information at their fingertips. Step 5 involves contact management tools. We help you implement systems like HubSpot, Salesforce, or Zoho CRM to store and manage your contacts effectively. These tools offer features such as contact segmentation, email integration, and lead tracking. Step 6 is all about time tracking applications. We have experience with tools like Toggle, Harvest, or Clockify that allow for accurate tracking of time spent on tasks and projects. This data can help identify areas of inefficiency and optimize resource allocation. Finally, Step 7 revolves around communication platforms. We help you utilize platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom to facilitate real-time messaging, video conferencing, file sharing, and collaboration. So there you have it. With Alpha Fam Management Consulting, you have a dedicated partner in your journey towards optimizing your business operations. Don't let the digital age intimidate you. Instead, harness its power and let it propel your business forward. Contact Alpha Fam Management Consulting today, and let us help you thrive in the digital age.